Hi,
Hi.
how are you?
How are you, Malika?
Absolutely fine.
Good, good.
Great. First of all, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. I'm 25 minutes late. I was stuck with some work on the other side. बारिश की वजह से there was no electricity as well. So I was damn sure that
Correct.
connectivity issue आएगा ही उस वक्त. अभी थोड़ा ठंडा हो गया. Everything is fine right now.
No problem.
Yeah. So how are things going with you?
Great.
They're great. Absolutely. That's nice. Nice. So, to all the viewers who are listening to us right now, and also to the people who are going to listen to us via YouTube in the near future, which is going to be uploaded, this video is going to be uploaded on YouTube as well as IGTV, that is on Instagram as well. To everyone, let me give you an introduction of Puja. What does Puja actually do? What has she done right till now? And yes, right now, what is this skill together? So, to go through the write up that she has given related to her, the introduction that she has given, Pooja, she's an MBA with specialization in marketing. Over the last 6 years, she has multitasked and gracefully juggled between work and motherhood as well. So, she's a mother as well. Her experience includes working in real estate, e commerce, and bringing up an adorable baby girl. Presently, she is the co-founder of Skill Together that believes in empowering women and their outstanding skills as well. This is amazing. With support and guidance from establishing her business to providing a platform for selling and from accounting to networking, they take care of everything. Skill Together. So this was about a short introduction about Pooja, connecting to what you have done, what you are doing right now. You say that you go door to door, you talk to people. Networking is something that you believe a lot in. Why do you feel that the best thing that we can wear is confidence? आपको क्यों ऐसा लगता है? What is that one experience which gave you the importance or made you realize the importance of confidence, without which nothing is possible? I would like to know that. We would like to know that.
Yeah. Sure. Thank you, Manisha, for the platform to speak about my confidence in my experience. So, I would love to talk about confidence because this is the key thing which I really believe in. You know, some people see is accepting their flaws and the mistakes they have committed in their past and so on. But however, there is more to it. As a if you
Can you hear me? I can hear you. Hello?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. We can hear you.
Okay. Yeah. So the experience I'm gonna share right now is the time when I resumed my career after a gap of 5 years, which I have taken because of motherhood journey. So anyone who had the same situation must understand this. How does that feel in order to resume your career after long gap? So what is the key thing at that time is my confidence, and I know that I want to do this. I want to do something professionally. So I looking started for something which I start to resume my career. So I got an opportunity and joined Collab Solutions, where I got exposure to accounts. Now let me make clear it to you that I'm the person who will pick accounts at last because everyone has their strengths and weakness, right? Mine was accounts. I'm really not into accounts. Whenever the terms we discuss debt, credit, cash flow, and all on a daily basis, I'm the person who will really don't want to go in that particular direction because I'm kind of afraid of accounts. So, but from childhood, I learned lot many things, and I'm a multitasker. I really believe in learning different and new things in life. So, whenever the possibility, any opportunity I came into, I got to learn new things. I usually pick up that opportunity and learn different new things. So, when I started working on accounts from my seniors, I really got a lot of guidance in how to handle the situation, how to tackle small aspects or tasks in an account. So I really get acquainted with pretty much acquainted with the terms, small terms of accounts, which is very small but very important in order to handle an account, right? So with the time, I really learned about a lot of the in and out of it. the department, and after a few months, you will not believe it that due to this confidence and due to the learning and guidance which I received from my team and colleagues, so it really I'm become the whole and soul of the account department at that particular time. I was handling the whole accounts for it for my company. So this is what I want to talk about. If you have confidence, if you believe in yourself, you can do whatever you want to do in your life, but you have to believe in yourself.
Okay.
And after that, I there are a lot many other experiences as well. When I came across different new opportunities in order to learn about different aspects, because I'm not a tech person. So I also got an opportunity in understanding the technology, the how to handle a website, how to run an e-commerce platform. So also I got an opportunity to learn about e-commerce platform on the website. Then I handled that particular project and delivered it in the span of 3 months, which was pending from last 6 months.
Okay.
Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible. Yes, yes.
Yeah.
So this is the experience. And one thing I would like to ask about the same thing, like it was not expected that आप accounting में बहुत ज़्यादा expert हो, but all of a sudden the entire department was put onto your shoulders. So
Correct.
of course there might be a lot of challenges that might have come your way, but आपने उन challenges को overcome कैसे किया? What was the mindset either, or what is the skill sets that you मतलब via that journey you inculcated in you to accomplish all the tasks? What do you think? वो कौन से
See,
challenges थे जो आपने overcome किए?
challenges is the only the only challenge I was having at that particular time, because I kind of not very very much interested in account. That is the least department I would like to join or I would work on. But as I started and I started with operation, then I got an opportunity to work in accounts department as well. So there I got to learn not many things, like how to start with the small entries, how to do the online entries, and how to handle a book, how to maintain a record, how we can improve on maintaining a record, how can make reports, and gradually I started working on it. I used to do a research on as well. I used to read on that particular thing as well, like how we can improve the system, how we can make the best out of it if we are handling anything, either it's accounts or any other opportunity I get. I always work on it. I read about it. I analyze each and everything about it. Like what else I can do, I can improve. So that is the mindset that I was having. Like whatever I step into. So I start learning about the different things of it, different aspect of the same topic or any opportunity if I get. So I read a lot.
Okay. You read a lot. You basically read a lot. Okay, okay. That's absolutely great. When you talk about confidence, confidence is something that you need to wear wherever you go. You need to have with you wherever you go. Because I myself, I started my journey when I was in 12th standard. I completed my graduation, post-graduation. Then came the corporate world into the picture. जब corporate world को जब हम hit करते हैं, जब इतनी सारी चीजें हमें जानने का मौका मिलता है, but being a fresher, you are someone who is like, okay, whom to trust, how much to trust, and what all responsibilities and how much responsibilities you need to take onto your shoulders. तो ये काफी सारी चीजें ऐसी होती है जो हमें अडेप्ट करनी पड़ती है. हमें बहुत ज्यादा एक्सपीरियंस लेने का विलिंगनेस होना चाहिए, और विलिंगनेस अगर नहीं है तो आप में नहीं हो सकता है. दैट रिक्वायर्ड level of progress will not be seen. So to everyone, to all the viewers who are listening to us, how much ever possible, grab opportunities. You can speak in any language, irrespective, whichever language you want to speak, just speak. That is what is important. You should be deliverable. किस वे में बात कर रहे हो, हर किसी को स्पीकर बनना है, that is not the purpose out there. Be it any industry that you want to work in, the very first thing that they will see in you is the confidence. To inculcate that level of confidence, grabbing opportunities, taking up as much as possible responsibilities is very important, because if you're not recognized, nobody knows you. And if you're pushing some other person to grab that opportunity and waiting for like, nahi tu hi kar le, or I'll try some other time, that is not there. The time is now. So if you talk about speaking skills, the number one thing that is required is confidence. Again, I'm saying irrespective of the language that you speak, confidence is important. You need to be deliverable. As you can see in the journey of Pooja as well, इनके दिमाग में दूर दूर से ऐसा नहीं था that she wants to get into accountancy and everything. But when push comes to shove, she grabbed that opportunity. She didn't say no to it, but yes, she took all the responsibilities onto her shoulder. And we are very sure that there are so many things, Pooja, that you have learned out from that. एंड काफी सारी ऐसी चीजें हैं, काफी सारे एक्सपीरियंसेस आपके हैं जो आपके जो जूनियर्स सीनियर्स उनके साथ शेयर करते होगे, एंड दैट इज व्हाट मैटर्स इनटू द कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड एज वेल एज इनटू द एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप वर्ल्ड. You need to grab experiences, you need to feel those experiences, you need to learn from those experiences, because when you learn those experiences you make sure that you don't repeat things that have not gone well, and rather learn from what has not gone well. क्योंकि हमारा एक माइंडसेट होता है, वी स्टार्ट जजिंग आवरसेल्व्स, वी स्टार्ट आइदर डाउटिंग आवरसेल्व्स, वी स्टार्ट बीइंग judgmental as to what people are going to talk about me. So that shouldn't be our priority. Rather the willingness jo hota hai, no, let me go for it, let me take that one first chance, which is very important. That is what we have learned from Pooja as well today, and this was my take as well, that Q confidence सबसे ज्यादा important चीज है for us to wear wherever we go. So we actually thank you for that, Pooja, for coming onto this platform. One more thing, the last question that I would like to ask you, Pooja, is that what is that one advice throughout your journey of corporate as well as entrepreneurship? What is that one advice that you would like to give to the viewers so that they remember you in the future?
Yeah, I really want to share this thing that keep believing in yourself. You know, if you don't believe in yourself, then no other person, the person around you will not be believing you. They will not have that kind of confidence on you as well. Until and unless you will be confident about yourself that you can do that, you can do this. If you are a new opportunity given to you, then of course you should accept it. You try to do that, and whatever is your best capacity in order to perform that particular thing, that is the thing that you have to take care of it. Instead of any kind of reference or situation, you should try, and you should try that thing and deliver it to your best capacity. So the advice is keep believing in yourself and don't give up.
Absolutely, believing in yourself is very important, because we become very weak when we start doubting ourselves. हम सबसे ज्यादा वीक तभी होते हैं जब हम अपने आप पे डाउट कर रहे हैं, अपने पोटेंशियल को एनालाइज नहीं कर पाते हैं. And there are so many things that we are very good at. If you talk about women as well, and if you talk about corporate individuals as well, everybody is having that potential. But when it comes to going against the things that you're not good at, or no, I'm not done this in the past, मैंने पहले से ये किया नहीं है, I don't know, I shouldn't go for it. I think we should give it a try for such things as well, because it's going to teach you a lot of things. And if you have that attitude of really learning again and again, and not stopping towards learning, give up wala attitude aayega hi nahi aapka. So it's better that we start believing in ourselves. We start believing in the potential that we are blessed with and capitalize on that. That is what onto our Dreamant India platform also we can tell you. So yes, Pooja, thank you so much for your time. आपके busy schedule से आपने time निकाला, काफी ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा हमें. To all the viewers, let me tell you, she is the co-founder of Skill Together. Again, they are also linked to skill development, which is the need of the hour. Be it in any industry you are, you cannot escape from this. And right now, what we both are doing is also related to skill. We have to speak. And if we don't speak, people won't know us. People won't know the services that we provide. So yes, follow them on Skill Together. And people who have missed out this video from the beginning, you can subscribe to our channel, that is Dreamant India. It will be uploaded by my team. And yes, stay fit, stay motivated, everyone. Let's make the most of the potential that we have, and always have that attitude of giving our best and believing in ourselves. Thank you so much, Pooja. Take care.
Thank you.